Secretary of the parish,
Parish Council,
the Parish Council, meetings of mothers, meetings of fathers. It is my prayer. What has happened here, next year should happen somewhere else. The following year be in another place.
We have to claim Kasese municipality for Christ. In Amani,
the strength I have seen today, it should go forth. The unity I have seen today, let it go on. Because as we continue to grow on, indeed other places will grow. As we develop here, St. Andrews will also develop. As St. Andrews grows, habitat will also develop. As habitat develops, St. Philip's will also grow. As St. Philip's grows,
It has become a very great day. You can think that they have been here for over 30 years, but the function has been so colorful, almost to the level of an archdeacon level. We want to encourage the Christians to put in their great effort. We want to thank our Christians in this diocese. Most of them are contributing pieces of land to give as offering to the Lord. They give us a tithe, and many people have even given us pieces of land, and we are very grateful.
It's a special church, and we thank God that at least today we have received a parish. Now, what does it mean to the developer? What does it mean to the people getting a parish close to the people? It means that development is getting closer to the people. Religion is getting closer to the people. We all know that people who know God are the people who are developmental. In most times, those who know God and work hard, they know development and they know everything.
There was also an induction of the new priest and the parish vicar, who is Reverend Jackson Wanzalabana. It has been so good, and even the bishop has been able to confirm 49 confirmants into the faith. And we are so blessed that the message was all about growing and knowing the goodness of the Lord by not going backward. And this has blessed this new parish, which has been detached from St. Paul's Cathedral Parish, now whereby the deanery has gotten 5 parishes. We are so grateful for this wonderful message, which is an indication that the gospel is growing and people are embracing the good news that is bringing them to Jesus Christ for salvation.